Hi guys, in this video we will see how to transfer your Facebook photos and videos to Google Drive. If you want to transfer or move your photos and videos of your Facebook to Google Drive, here are the process. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and choose settings and privacy. Thereafter again choose settings. Here in settings phase from the left side, scroll down and click on account center. Thereafter choose your information and permissions from the left side, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here your information and permissions, export your information, click on it. Thereafter you can export a copy of your information to an external service or export it to your device. Available information includes content and info that you have shared, your activity and info that we collect. Choose create export. Click on create export and choose where to export. Two options available: export to device, export to external services. Choose export to external services and here you will find Google Drive. A list of options available here. Choose Google Drive and follow on screen instruction to complete the exportation process. Your photos, videos and other chat history will transfer to your Google Drive. Click on next and here choose how often you want to export: once, daily, monthly or yearly. Schedule exports include information once or daily or monthly or yearly. So choose as per your choice and click on next. Connect to Google Drive. You will need to log in to verify that you have an account with this external services. So connect, click on connect and log in with your Gmail account.